What type of home can you get for 2.8 million Canadian dollars in Canmore, Alberta? Imagine stepping onto your patio and feeling like you're on a lookout point. In this episode, we're checking out a luxury mountain home tucked away in one of Canmore's more private and elevated neighborhoods. With over 4,000 square feet of living space, amazing views, and unique features, this is mountain living at its best. And now I know what you're thinking. For 2.8 million, this duplex better have an elevator. Well, you'll be happy to know that it does. And let's get started right now. If you're new here, this channel is all about living your best life in Alberta's beautiful mountain towns. So, if you're into exploring stunning mountain towns and finding the best places to live and invest, from Canmore and Banff to Cochrane and Calgary, then be sure to subscribe and tap the bell for notifications for more amazing content. My name is Peter Mejia, and I'm your go-to realtor for Alberta mountain living. And we get calls every day from people just like you, so whether you're moving in a couple of days, weeks, or months, feel free to reach out. All of our contact information is in the description. Today, we're diving into what 2.8 million can get you in Canmore. And trust me, it's more than just square footage. This place is located in Hospital Hill, a chill hillside neighborhood known for its privacy, elevation, and fantastic access to nature. Sure, the name might sound a bit sketchy, but the hospital moved out ages ago, leaving behind a peaceful area surrounded by trees, scenic views, and local trail networks that everyone loves. This home sits on a quiet side street, which gives it a tucked away feel. Even though it's a calm spot, you can walk to the grocery store thanks to a nearby trail that skips the busy main street. Hospital Hill manages to be both tranquil and convenient. You're just a few minutes from downtown Canmore, but it feels worlds away from all the noise. No tourist crowds, no through traffic, just forests, trails, and friendly neighbors. The Bow River Trail Network is just down the hill, making it super easy to bike into town. This is the kind of neighborhood where you can start your day with a coffee and wrap it up with a stunning view. And if you want to get a better sense of where this home sits within the bigger picture of Canmore, be sure to check out our neighborhood tour episode, Inside Canmore Alberta. Discover the neighborhoods you'll love in Canmore. Okay, let's leave the trails and trees behind for a second and step inside this stunning home, because the interior is just as impressive as the views. So as we come into this beautiful home, this is how we are greeted. Already a nice little space to hang out. And right over there, we have two beautiful bedrooms and a shared washroom. And yes, right over here is the elevator. And we're not going to use it today. We're going to be taking the stairs. But this is where you would be able to go all the way up the different floors. Let's start downstairs and then work our way up. So let's continue. All right, and right over here we have the washer and dryer, a nice area to fold your clothes, and you have to be able to stay in shape here in the Rockies. So how about your very own gym? Right over here, you can get your exercise equipment, whether you like yoga, you can put some exercise machines in here, but yeah, your very own gym. So that's another plus with this beautiful home. Of course, you have another half washroom over here, and coming up over here, another entertaining space, and of course, the elevator right over here, and beautiful entertaining space. And of course, every entertainment space has to have a nice wet bar right over there. So great place. That's the basement. And now let's check out the main floor, the main event. And here we are. Let's start off with the kitchen. It's extremely important in the kitchen, but before the kitchen, where are you going to store all your food? And that's where we have these massive pantry. You can put everything you want in this pantry. It is absolutely huge. Of course, you have another washroom right over here, a half bath, really nice. And the kitchen. Now this kitchen has everything modern, quartz countertops, of course. And look at this right over here. There you go, that's your fridge space. And it's got two of them, right over here. And right underneath, you guessed it, some nice freezers. And there's also another one over here, a very large microwave, because when you have a home like this, why not have a large microwave? You have your oven right over there, the dining table, and of course, a beautiful fireplace that just breaks up the room beautifully, in my opinion. The bookshelf, nice area to sit around, and of course, time to check out the beautiful view, because that's why we are here in Canmore, to experience this. You have the Three Sisters Mountains right over there. You can see Ha Ling Peak right over there. And just absolutely gorgeous views. There is a gas hookup for a barbecue for this deck. So very nice. And all the windows. So you're gonna have nice natural light coming in the entire time. Now there is still one more floor to check out. So let's go do it. Now if you haven't had enough patios yet, there is another one right over here. Let's check it out with more gorgeous views. And here you can see much better the Three Sisters Mountains right over there. More seclusion in this one. And still a very large size. And we are just a little bit away from the primary bedroom. And of course, every primary bedroom has to have a walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet right over here. Very nice. An elevator, of course. And yes, another patio right over there, right off the primary. Not a bad thing. And the washroom with a single tub. And we cannot leave this house without checking out the big 2-car garage right over here. Plus, there is an extra space to park in front of the house as well. Now, I hope you like this house as much as I do. If you're wondering what kind of home would be the right for you in the Bow Valley or anywhere from Canmore and Banff to Cochrane and Calgary, let's chat. Just give me a call, send a text, or book a Zoom call. And we'll talk about your goals, lifestyle, and ideal home. Then I'll set you up on our listing portal for free. And after that, you'll get emails whenever a property that fits your criteria comes available. It's that simple. You can click to check out details, photos, locations, and lots more. A lot of our clients are from other provinces, so this is a great way to keep tabs on the market and jump on any opportunities when the right place pops up. To get started, just let me know your budget, how many bedrooms you need, are you looking for a full-time home, a weekend escape, or a short-term rental investment. And don't worry, there are plenty of homes and investment options in Canmore and the Bow Valley for all budgets. Some properties even start in the high 400s. So, whether you want a luxury estate or something more affordable, there is something for everyone. If you're curious about what's out there in your price range, just let me know and I can hook you up with a full list of options. And if you need help with financing, I'll connect you with a local mortgage broker who can guide you through the process. Thanks for joining me on this tour of what 2.8 million can get you right here in Canmore. If you've got questions or want to take the next step towards buying a home here, all my contact info is in the description. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future episodes. And drop me a comment if there's a property or area you'd love to see featured next. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep living that mountain life.